The alabaster jar had to be broken before the fragrance filled the room. The olive had to be crushed before the oil could flow. Everyone wants the crown, but not everyone wants the crushing. But Lord, if the breaking brings me closer to you, if the crushing releases worship, if the pain produces oil, then break me, Lord. Tobololeni, Mwe Lesa, pour me out for you.
Tobololeni, Mwe Lesa,
Demi bella fiancé.
Tobololeni, Mwe Lesa.
Let my worship rise. Alabaster oil, I pour it at your feet. Alabaster oil, my life belongs to you. Mwe Lesa wandi, naisa kulimwe. Deleta umutima wandi, pali amolu yenu. She lays on a pride, she lays on a excuse. Naisanga alabaster, defwaya ukutoboloka. If you're not fisa mukati,
Mwe Lesa,
vya sambili leni. If you're vya mpweteka,
Mwe Yesu.
vya posesheni. Days are not tears,
Days on our worship.
days are not broken heart, but I still choose you. Hey!
Mantu amafuta ya Isa, mukupwanyiwa,
Amafuta ya Isa,
mukusenda cross,
fragrance ya Isa,
jaya toboloka,
worship ya Isa.
na hata pela.
Tobololeni,
Mwe Lesa,
pour me out for you. Ndamafuta ya lefuma.
let my worship fill the room.
Tobololeni,
Mwe Yesu,
I surrender all to you. Ngaumutima.
wandi watoboloka.
Let the oil flow through me.
Everyone wants the crown,
But the oil comes through crushing.
everyone wants the glory.
But the fragrance comes through breaking.
Tobololeni,
Mwe Lesa,
pour me out for you.
alabaster oil.
Alabaster oil,
Demi bella fiancé.
at your feet, Lord.
Alabaster oil.
Alabaster oil,
Break me, pour me out.
for your glory, Lord.
Onseba fire crown.
Little demons ever fire crashing.
Onseba fire glory.
Little demons ever fire breaking.
Onseba fire platform.
Little demons ever fire altar.
Onseba fire blessing.
Little demons ever fire surrender.
Mwe Lesa,
Shishibisheni,
ukufukama na kabili. Metata,
shishibisheni.
ukulapila na kabili. Nangunda pwete, shakabute kulimwe. Nangunda,
Kwaniwa,
shakafume muminwe yenu. Pantwa mafuta ya Isa,
Mungu kwaniwa,
amafuta ya Isa.
Mungu senda cross.
Fragrance ya Isa,
Jaya toboloka,
worship ya Lisa.
na hata pela.
Tobololeni,
Mwe Lesa,
pour me out for you. Ngamafuta ya lefuma.
let my worship fill the room.
Tobololeni,
Mwe Yesu,
I surrender all to you. Ngaumutima.
wandi watoboloka.
Let the oil flow through me.
Everyone wants the crown,
But the oil comes through crushing.
everyone wants the glory.
But the fragrance comes through breaking.
Tobololeni,
Mwe Lesa,
pour me out for you.
ambuye wanga. Ndabwera kwa inu. Ndabwera ndi mtima wanga. Pansi pa mapazi yanu. Sindikufuna kubisanso zimene zili mkati. Sindikufuna kutawanso, ndikufuna kuchiritsidwa. Mafuta abwera
kutera mukupwanyika,
kununkhira kwabwera
pamene mtima waperekedwa.
Ambuye ndipanyeni,
Koma musandisiye,
Mulungu ndichiritseni.
koma musandipitilire.
Like the woman in the alabaster jar, I bring my worship to you. She broke what was costly
And poured it on you,
They did not understand her worship, but you saw her heart. They called it waste.
but you called it beautiful.
Mwe Yesu, moneni hati yandi, nangwa bantu tabamona.
Mwe Yesu,
Umfweni worship yandi, nangwa bantu tabamumfwa. What I pour at your feet,
is not wasted,
what I surrender to you.
is not lost.
Crush what carries pride, break what carries fear, heal what carries pain. What is not yours, take what is hidden, take what is heavy, take what is broken and make it holy. Tobololeni,
Mwe Lesa,
lelo munsunge. Tobololeni,
Mwe Yesu,
lelo muposhe. Break me, Lord, but do not leave me. Pour me out.
but seal me with you. Tobololeni, Mwe Lesa, I pour me out for you.
I am pressed, but not destroyed. I am broken, but not abandoned. I am crying, but still worshiping. I am empty, but you are feeling me.
Deponiwa, lelo shapa, delila, lelo ndesunina, ndetoboloka, lelo amafuta yalefuma, defukama.
Lelo mafuta ya yefuma. Hey! Detoboloka. Lelo mafuta ya lefuma. But Lord, if the breaking brings me closer to you, if the crushing releases worship, if the pain produces oil, then break me, Lord. Hey!
Tobololeni.